Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining me. This is Beach Bum with the Crystal Coast and ENC Weather Update, um, Winter Weather Edition. Um, from what the models have been showing the past couple of days to what I'm looking at now, us here in the Crystal Coast and Eastern North Carolina may not see exactly what they were predicting before. We're still going to see something, but for right now, let's go ahead and take a look over at NOAA's future weather radar. And I want to show you exactly what we're seeing. And we're going to start this off at lunchtime today, 12 p.m. And as you can see, there is some ice in the forecast on the radar here, south of being west of Burgaw, and south of Wilmington is rain. Here's 1 p.m., 2 p.m., and if you look at the bottom right of the map, you'll see what time we're on. 3 p.m., you see we have snow starting to come in the Onslow County, back to Kenansville, starting to come into Goldsboro. 4, it's in Goldsboro, working its way up into Jones County, little bit into Carteret County there around 24, and working its way to Craven County. Here's 5 p.m. Most of the Crystal Coast. Oh, let's go back 5 p.m. Most of the Crystal Coast is got snow. There's rain and ice, a little bit of ice to the south of us, rain to the south. Here's 6 p.m. As you can see, the snow is starting to work north and ice is starting to come in. 7 p.m., 8 p.m., we're starting to turn into more rain around 8 p.m. in this area. New Bern is still seeing some mix, snow, ice. There's 9 p.m., 10, 11. As you can see, at 11 p.m. tonight, we are mostly rain in the area according to this map from NOAA. Here is midnight, and rain still going up. 1 a.m., and the ice is moving on out of here. More rain. As you see, west and north has still got the ice, but we don't. Here's 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m., and you see the rain is starting to get lighter on the Crystal Coast. There's still some ice north and west of us. 7 a.m., 8 a.m. Now, let me show you another reason, a reason of why this is going to play out like this. And don't expect a whole lot of accumulation with this. We could see it on bridges, overpasses, trees, but I'm not seeing a whole lot, and here's the reason why. Let's start at 3 p.m. today on the temperature radar from NOAA on the future. And if you see, we're at 39 in New Bern, 41 in Newport. Go 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m. There's 7, 8, 9, 10. Right there, 10 p.m. is the lowest we're seeing so far on the map, and only at 34 degrees. Here's 11 at Newport, going back up to 35, 36, 38 degrees at 1 a.m. Yes, that's still cold enough to snow, but we're probably just going to see a lot of rain out of this after a couple of hours of freezing rain and some snow. Here's 2 a.m. And you see the temperature just rising on up. 4 a.m., we're at 50 degrees in Newport, 44 in New Bern. Now we start dropping back down as the sun comes up, which that's a normal thing. 38 in Newport, 39 Newbern. And now the temperature is starting to rise again. This is 9 a.m., 10 a.m. Over here on the CMC, as we see, here's the storm approaching North Carolina, coming into western North Carolina. And as we see here, it's still splitting the state, but more of the east coast, Crystal Coast, is now in the green instead of the pink or blue. So, and that green means rain. As you can see here, the better view as it's coming through. And here is Saturday morning and Saturday afternoon, and the rain's moving off. So there you have it. That is what the models are showing right now. Not a whole lot of time for things to change, but it still could. You never know. I've seen times people say we ain't going to see nothing, just cloudy skies, and then boom, we had some snow overnight. So all I can say is keep a check on the skies, keep watching your weather, and if you don't have to be on the roads this evening, tonight, don't. The bridges and overpasses are going to be rough, and if you do have to be out there, don't be on people's butts. Give yourself some space in between cars. Until the next report, this is Beach Bum, and y'all have a great day.